afternoon, everyone. My name is James. I'm going to be discussing the genus Martensia today. So the classification empire is Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Villephyta, Rhodophyta, Rhodophytina, Oreo, Phaceae. Order is Syringaales. I'm not going to try to pronounce the family. And then the genus is Martensia. So some of the notable features, here in the water has the bluish iridescence. If you guys went out to the Kahala side of Black Point here in the algae collections, you probably saw a lot of it out there. It's foliose. It also has a mesh-like margin that appears as faunettes, as you can see here. And a lot of the reproductive structures are housed there. Not all of them, but the majority. Also, we have two documented species in Hawaii, the M. fragilis and M. flaviformis. However, there is some additions to that that I'll discuss later. So, life history and reproduction, like all the red algae, it has triphasic sport meiosis and isomorphic alteration generations. So, the gametophyte looks like the sporophyte. It's also got procarpic reproduction, so the auxiliary cells and the carpogonial branch. And the gametophytes are dioecious, so it houses both the female and the male parts. And as you can see in the picture on label number 10, the spermatangel sori are formed on the weight portion, so the male portion of the release of sperm, spermangia. And then the procarps are in the mesh, so ideally, like as it reproduces, it would be caught in the mesh portion, and then fertilized, and then the procarps develop. And then the tetrasporangia, the tetrasporophytes are also primarily in the mesh region, but they can form on the thallus portion of the feed as well. So there wasn't a whole lot of current or interesting things about Martensia. There's only a couple things I found, but one thing I did find was that there was a recent study here at University of Hawaii that was collaborative between NOAA as well as one other organization, and then funded by the NSF. And what they've been doing is they were looking at mesophotic algae, macroalgae, so between 30 and 150 meters throughout the Hawaiian archipelago. They collected about 2,000 specimens, and then they anticipate finding about 60 new species. But one genus they did find a new one for is for this one, Martensia, which is the picture to the right here. They have not named it yet that I know of. I wasn't able to find an actual published study about it. This was a news article. And they're hoping that this study will redefine, in general, the current understanding of macroalgae for the Hawaiian archipelago, especially in the mesophotic zone. And then additionally, there was some studies that found that there were some health benefits to Martensia, where they were able to extract alkaloids, which are plant extracts that are used for medicinal purposes. There's three that they were able to extract from the Martensia fragilis, and they produce indols, which are used for they regulate portions of bacterial physiology. And then some of the uses that they found for them were they have strong oxidative effects, and then they're able to treat some bacterial infections through antibiotics listed here. So, and those are my references. So, kind of short. Any questions?